today we'll be learning how to do a happy birthday flyer using Canva, right? This is all we're going to be designing. So without further ado, let's get started. First, we're going to do, we're going to our Canva app. Go to our Canva app and then click on it. Okay, so we just need to design this. So I'll go home. All right. Okay, so after it's downloading, we click on the add icon and then proceed. Okay, so we click on the add icon, which is at the bottom left here, and then we click on cut size here. Okay, I'll be using 3000 by 3000. So like I've said before, the reason why we're using 3000 by 3000 is it's so that when we post it on social media platform, the quality does not get diminished. You understand? Yeah. So when you normally post on Facebook, WhatsApp, and the rest of them, they automatically diminish the quality. But when you use 3000 by 3000, it does not get diminished. So the background we're using, I shared it in the description below on the Google Drive file, right? So using that, I'll go to my uploads and I'll just pick the background. So click on upload file, and then I'll go to where it is my phone. That's from Canva. I did it from Canva, and so I'll upload it. So we are going to wait a little bit so it's uploading, right? And then after it's done uploading, we'll start the design. Okay, so it's done uploading. Click on it, and then we'll scroll out to the extreme end at the bottom, click on more, and then we'll use set image as background. That's what we're using, and then there you have it. So click on our add icon next, and now I made this all the resources I'm using here. I've already made it available in the description below, so I won't be going there to get it because they're already here. So this is the picture, this is the image I'm using. I'll click on it. I'll click on the image. I'll go to effects now to remove the background. This is only available. This is only available for Canva Pro, right? I did a video last year ending on how to get Canva Pro free, so you can just check. I think I'll share the link in the description too on how to get it. Well, I was trying to do a better one this year, and I did it twice, and YouTube they banned me, like they blocked the video. I don't know why, but maybe they don't want people to use it again. So you just use the one I did earlier. So I'll flip it horizontally, right? So how to do that? I'll go to flip here and then flip horizontally. So I want it like this. So increase the size. So there's it. So the next thing, this filters, this day, yeah. I'll go to adjust and make it blurry. So go to adjust, scroll down, blur. Not too much, but just a little bit blurry. I think 5 is okay. So now duplicate it. So duplicate it again. Just want it to be just full in this place. Yeah. So something like that. So first we'll go to click on our text, add our text. Go to add, click on text, add the heading. So the heading will be happy. So that's it. And then the font we're going to be using is Monument. So search for Monument. There's it. This is the one. Monument. Yeah, that's it. So there's it. Happy. I'll increase the size. Take it up, and then we'll rotate it a little bit. Happy. Then duplicate it. Now we'll rotate it. Bring it back. No need for rotation again. And then birthday. Happy birthday. So this we're shifting the birthday guide. Or I'm making a birthday board also. Happy birthday. And I want to remove this. Okay, so align it here. Happy birthday. So okay, so our happy will be removing the boldness so it's not too much. Happy birthday. Right, so the birthday will be taking it to go to the extreme end more and send it backwards, send it back. Yeah, that's it. We're using this birthday up, and then the size, once you reduce the size, maybe I'll make it 250. Then I raise the birthday to upward. Happy birthday. Okay, I'll be rotating this to a little bit. Just as it is. Yeah, it rhymes. Happy birthday. Alright, so the next let me show you the angle at which it's just rotated. The angle, okay, angle does not normally show you on a pixel art. So the next one between we're adding the next is Emmanuel Inelo. Look at this. That's the name of the birthday, this 11. This was a simple short design. Sir Emmanuel Inelo. That's his name. You can just use your name, if you're doing the design for somebody else. And the font we're going to be using for that is Big Spartan. Big Spartan. Yes. So, reduce the size. Which I'll make it, let's say 80. And then I'll zoom in to 2 hands. Then bring that. Okay. So the reason why we do that is because when there's spacing between between that and your things you
okay, so you want to add an effect at her back, right? So the first thing we click on effects. I want to give it a special effect there.
Right, so waiting ceremony. So I'm changing the color. Alright. So using this color jet, that shows you different options. So we're using that option there. And then now the prayers. So first of all, use the size. Maybe I'll make it 40, and then I'll paste the prayer. Okay, guys. So I'm zoomed in now, and I want to just paste the prayers. So these prayers, may God guide you, keep you, make it shine upon you. The rest of them, so I'll align it. Right, aligned here. So that's how I'm doing it. But for these prayers, I'll not be bending it. I want it straight. Okay. I think even this ceremony in yellow, I'll just make it 1 or 2. So there's a alignment. So I'll make this one right aligned also. Yes, so that's it. So I'll just take it upward. So that's it. I'm going to increase this one a little bit, move it back. Happy birthday. Yeah. So that's it. Okay, so this happy here I said we'll duplicate it and then we'll enlarge it. Just want to make something, and then we'll go to effects and holo. Right, so we're choosing this color, the color that we use for Simon in using that. Then we'll use the transparency. And just make the background a more spice, more better, So cover and rotate it. Okay. And then let's use the transparency again. And then go to our effects again. The holo. Let's reduce the thickness. Yeah, that's it. And then this blurry, this duplicate some. It's okay like that. Duplicate some. Then bring some here. Yeah. Let's do the transparency of that one. Then I want one more here. Duplicate it. I just want it to be filled. Yeah, that's it. Happy birthday, Simon. That we have a beautiful design there. So take second to last and just add our shiny effect. So go to elements and search for shiny effect. There's light effect. Let's go to light effect. That is better. Now group see all. This is the type we're using. This. Okay, no, that was not what I was putting this one. And that's it. That's okay. Happy birthday. Just something, yeah, that's okay. So just see it on the edge, just like that. So there we have it. Happy birthday, Simon. You can get people. So that beautiful, simple design. So click on download, and then we'll round up using PixArt. Now, why I normally use PixArt is that you just make the design better now. You just make the design more exceptional to pop up the design, you understand? That's the idea of PixArt. So after it's done downloading to our phone, the next thing we're doing, we're going to PixArt, right? Okay. So go to PixArt. You can get Pixart on Play Store, right? Just search for Pixart, it's the normal one there. I didn't use the pro version. So just go click on the add icon at the bottom there, and then it shows on my phone. Right. So then download. I go to effects. First I'll go to effects, and I do this HDRI. Now I will reduce. You see, it makes it more clearer. So I'll increase the fade to 67, the blur to 20, on sharp is 50, saturation 0. So this is better. I click on good. See, now you see the shiny effect. It's more better than before, right? And then I want to check on max. Maybe just add something. Max goes down. Okay. Now you can use this effect if you want. But this one, the shiny effect, I think I'll go with this. And if I'll just reduce it, so it's not the same. There I have it. That's my design. There's it. So that's how you make. Let's go check out design at the end to see the end result. So there you have it, guys, how to design a beautiful happy birthday design in just less than 15 minutes, right? Thank you so much for watching to the end. Hope you've learned something. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a great day.